We're fly fishing. Fish on.
That's not too bad. You know what? That's the best thing that's happened all year.
I am very excited for the fishing trip that we are doing today. We are going camping, and I got my new shades on, and it's gonna be a very fun day.
So, tonight didn't go exactly as planned. We actually weren't able to really fish. I haven't caught a fish in this fishing trip. One reason is because we had to save Harry the heron, a great blue heron, and he got caught up in fishing line, and he was not stuck in a thorn bush. We thought he was, but he was actually just hiding. So it wasn't actually by us, it was by somebody else.
We were protecting him from scavengers, raccoons, coyotes coming into the trees. They would come and try to pounce, and we would and we would run. But they were ready to eat Harry.
That was a bit frightening. Our good bait for like crappie and stuff.
The guy over here, he caught a bass a minute ago, and when he caught it, all it did was spit up mayflies like this all over him. Just spit them up all over him. So now we're fly fishing. There it is. Boom. Drop him in there again. That's a perch, but fun nonetheless.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's a big one.
They were just right there.
One at Athens may be a little bit closer.
Can you see your line?
One at
Nope.
Athens may be a little bit closer.
Kind of. But not really.
Fish on.
That's on the highway just before you get
That's a little bass. No, it's a big crappie. That's what that. Oh, did you break your line?
No.
That was a big crappie. You ripped his mouth.
Really?
Yeah.
That's not good. That's Rocket. He's from Guardians of the Galaxy. Oh, he's so cute. That's not too bad.
No, it's not.
I think 3 to 4. Bacon potatoes on their produce scale.
Right.
I took them home, waiting on that. It's on money.
Here you go.
All right. That was
Catch 'em
cool.
another day.
Let it play out. He didn't get off, did he?
No.
Oh, that's a good one. He's fighting you, dude.
Oh, that's better than the other one, isn't it?
Yeah, he is.
Ew. Quite a fight. Ooh.
Let's see what we got on the
Might be a
net.
twin to him, huh?
All right, hold him up. All right, get him in.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
He did a front flip. He did a front flip.
Good one, bud.
That was. He fought so hard. Okay, so the night's been good. We're in our tent. And we've caught a few bass.
You had about a 14-inch crappie on just.
Yeah,
We caught
it was
crappie.
like
Perfect.
really. So our camp is set up right now.
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah. And I am so ready for tomorrow.
All right, after a solid 4 hours of good sleep for this young man and not such good sleep for this old man, we are up, ready to go. We've got I don't know what they're hiding from up there, but we got the daddy long legs hiding between the fly and the tent. And some other spider there. So we're fixing to head down to the water. And
Yes. Put on a buzz bait, probably.
all right, there's an important life lesson that you just learned. When you go camping, probably the most important thing to your success or to your enjoyment, to the ability to just say we had a good time, is to do one thing. And if you do it, you will find yourself pleased. Bring your own toilet paper. Because the toilet paper they had in there,
It was see-through.
it's not gonna do anything except frustrate you. So go pick up the best Charmin you can find, son. Anytime you go camping. This is another life advice moment with Dad.
Okay, next spot.
We're at Freshwater Fisheries Center. And we're going to watch some cool stuff and see some cool fish and fish. Well, what? That didn't make sense, but we're going to fish as well. So, yeah. Oh my goodness.
Feed them.
Cool. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. And look at those huge bluegills or something. What are those?
those are big.
Those are huge. Oh my goodness. Can I catch one? Oh, that startled me. Oh my
Hold it down there with your
goodness.
hand. See what happens.
What? They're gonna bite my hand though.
What?
Why would you do that? That's like not a good idea at all. That would be cool though. But no.
Ooh, look at that big one.
I just want to touch one. I just want to touch it. I'm bored already. When they come up like that, I just want to. Whoa.
Dude,
These
monster.
are monstrosities.
What?
I want to live here. You don't spit my finger up. My poor little finger.
Start a feeding frenzy.
Can you put these on hooks and catch them? Excuse me, Gerald.
Not the best idea I've had today.
It's so funny.
I'm soaked, man.
That's the best thing that's happened all day.
Wow.
You know what? That's the best thing that's happened all year. Hi. This is... I want to take a picture with the gators. Oh my goodness.
Listen, dude. Come up here by that guard. I want to get you next to that guard. Get up there by him. That's huge, dude.
Throw some food in.
He's looking at me. It's like the size of me.
Yep. That's awesome.
I kind of want to.
You want to get him off the hook? Or you want me to do it? Channel cat. There he goes.
Now, the first fish I'm going to feed is this big catfish here. Now, this is a blue catfish. Blue cats are the largest catfish in the United States. They get to be over 140 pounds. This one here was actually caught last year on property in our casting pond out back. She was about 44.5 pounds at the time. Yes, she's definitely grown a little bit since then. It's probably closer to 60 pounds by now.
That was the fish that were in the show. It was so awesome.
Did you name the big? Oh, there goes the big bass. He's moving now.
So we're going back to the car to finish up our day. And so just a little preview. We stayed up until about 3 in the morning fishing. And then today we stayed way too long at some place. And then we fed fish and saw a diving show. It has been a pretty good day.
It's my birthday.
Oh.
Oh, he's ready. He's ready. What's your name, sir?
What's your name?
Welcome. Think about that.
You 10? Can you lasso for me? Attention, Texas Freshwater Fisheries Center.